Hello everyone, so today it's storefront time and we will update our storefront to the latest LTSR to 2507, and I'm updating or upgrading from 240 to CU3. I'm upgrading to the latest one. So let's check out before we start the upgrade. I have two stores from what I can remember. Yeah, one is default and another one has some customizations. Let me see. So storefront 01. So this is the default, and the other one has a little bit of customization, some colors and some background changes. Let's see if everything is kept after the upgrade. Let me sign out, log off, and the other one, no customization, just the default. Okay, let's sign out this one too. Okay, let's upgrade. We've done this hundreds of times, but yeah, we should always do it in the test environment first. So I have here the latest LTSR, and we're just going for the storefront. This will take a little bit of time. Okay, we accept the license, a lot of things to read, and install. Okay, so from my experience, this will take a lot of time, even if you have only a few configurations, and I will pause the video and come back when this is finished. Okay, so it's done. It only took 5 minutes or so. Let's go finish. Reboot is required. Yes. I did forget to take a snapshot, but it doesn't matter, because if anything goes wrong, I will just redeploy from zero. But let's just wait for the storefront to come back online. And we will log in, because it does have some services with a delayed start. But we can already check if we have the newest version. Okay, so we have the latest version. Okay, let's see. Services. Citrix. So everything with Citrix. So they are still waiting to be started, because they have a delayed start. Let's just see. I'll give them another 1 or 2 minutes. Let's see. Okay. So I did read something interesting. So 2507. that StoreFront no longer sends data to the Citrix customer experience. This is a good thing, because we, as sysadmins, we are always stopping this manually, so we don't have to do that anymore. And this includes for HTML 2505. Okay. Yeah, and I believe we should also test this new StoreFront interface, but let's see. Let's see. This video will only check if the upgrade was successful or not. Okay, everything is running. Let's start the console one time, and then we will do the tests. Okay, so this looks good. Manage beacons. Okay, manage Citrix gateways. Okay, DDC1 and DDC2, nothing changed. Manage authentication methods. Okay. Okay, so everything is as it should be. Let's do the actual test. Two stores. First one, the default. Okay, and let's log in. Okay. It also kept the bookmarks. That's nice. Let's start an app. Okay, and let's also start the other store, the custom one. It seems that it kept the customizations. Okay, so this is the first app from the first store. Okay, let's, with the second one, let's launch the desktop. Okay, and this also seems to work. So yeah, it was successful. I will not check any other logs because I think everything went okay. Yeah, the license, yeah, fine. Okay, so this was it. Upgrade from 2.4.0 to CU3 to the latest 2.5.07. Thank you for watching. If you like this type of video, please subscribe to my channel, or give a like to this video. Yeah, you can decide. Thank you for watching.